Today's assignment is 2.10 and it's called the key to using per. So what per is a rate of change. So what we're going to be looking at today is we're going to be determining rates. So if you get your worksheet out, I'm going to do the first four problems with you today. The first four problems we're going to go over together, and then I'm going to give you guys the work to go. So, the key to using per. So, when we see the word per, it means we're setting up a fraction. All right. So, we have for number one 36 feet of wire and 9 rolls. Now, they say feet per roll. So, that means per is our fraction bar. The first word goes on top, and our second word goes on bottom. So we can read this as feet per roll. Feet per roll. So we're just going to do the numbers. So which one correlates with feet? Well, it's 36. So that goes on top over 9 rolls. So 36 divided by 9 is 4. And then our fraction is, our unit is feet per roll. So that's number one. And that goes right. We would write that right there. So feet per roll. You're just doing a fraction. You're setting up the first one goes on top. Per is the division, and the bottom is the next one. So in this case, we want watts per hour. So watts goes on top. So 60,000 watts, W, and hours go on bottom in 15 hours. So you're going to want to get your calculator, and you're going to do 60,000 divided by 15, which in this case it gives us 4,000. 4,000 watts per hour. So again, that's our answer, 4,000 watts per hour. I'm going to write it in my line. So this next one is not meant to trick you. It's just you're going to go miles per gallon. So miles go on top. So 46 miles over 2 gallons. And 46 divided by 2 is 23 miles per gallon. And that's our answer. Oops. 23 miles per gallon. Let's go with this last one. So this last one, if you notice, it looks like it might be tricky, but remember, we're just going, the first number goes on top, the second one goes on bottom. So in this case, gallons is going on top. So that's 2 gallons over 46 miles. So you can do this one of two ways. You can do it as a fraction. If I leave it as a fraction, I get 1 over 23, and that would be gallons per mile. Or I can say that it is approximately equal. I can do 1 divided by 23 and get a decimal, or 2 divided by 46. It's going to be the same thing. 2 divided by 46 is 0.04, and we'll leave it there. We'll round it there. Gallons per mile. You can have either answer. So that's all you're doing. You're going to take the first number and divide it by the second number and then write your units. Make sure that you're writing your units, please. If I only have you for one class, do numbers 1 through 12. And we just did 4 of them, so that means you only have 8 more problems to do. And for those who I have more than once, you can do the whole worksheet. All right, have a good day, guys.